I'm Sammy, and we're from Sam and Sammy's Duct Tape Business. Today we're here to make a video to show you all our
duct tape items.
Yes, and they're all the money is plus shipping and handling. Okay, so first we have baton bows.
They are $3.
Yeah, $3. Next we have bows.
We have tons of bows.
Tons of these, and they're right here. Yeah.
And then we have...
No, the bows are $1.
$1?
No, mini bows.
Okay.
Then the mini bows are 50 cents.
And then we have a pouch.
Like a wallet. That's $1.
And then a flapper.
That's $2. Cool. Then we have braids. These things.
We made
They
them.
are $1.
And then we have spin rounds.
Yeah, spin arounds. What you do with the spin arounds is like you take this off, and then you challenge your friends. You put your fingers in this and you go like that. And you challenge your friends.
Yeah.
See who can keep it in the most.
And they're all made of duct tape.
Yeah. Bracelets. We forgot bracelets.
Bracelets. Like these two are BFF bracelets.
$1.
But if you don't want them BFF bracelets, you can turn them around.
Yeah. And this you can like adjust the size.
Yeah.
Those are $1. Spin arounds. We already did those. Brass knuckles are for boys.
They're the only boy item we really only sell.
Yeah, and they're $1.
They go like this. Punch!
Okay, if you liked or if you wanted one of these items, please comment what you want.
Comment, yes.
Yeah,
please comment
in the comments.
And then
we will like
give them
try to figure out a way to ship them.
Okay.
So I'm Sam.
And I'm Sammy. And that's our duct tape video.